Hey, what's up guys? Sean here again with Apollo Scooters. Today I'm going to show you how to install a thumb throttle. For display purposes, I've got the Apollo Ghost here, however this process will be essentially the same for all of our other models. Very simple process, all you need are a couple of tools, so follow along and I'll show you how it's done. Now before we get started, there are a couple things you can do to make your job a little bit easier. First, make sure all the attachments here are loose so that they can easily slide off the handlebar later. And you may also want to cut the zip ties that are holding your wires together here. You may also notice that the rubber grip handle looks slightly different than what you might have. If you have the same kind, just unscrew that little screw there with a couple turns and that will slide right off. If you have just the standard rubber grip handle though, give it a couple twists and that should slide off easily as well. So we'll unscrew that one screw right there. Just a couple turns and that comes right off. Now since I also have the folding handlebars here, I'm going to unfold this. And that will make it easier to slide everything off as well. Again, you want to make sure that all your attachments here are loose first. Slide the brake lever off. And slide your old throttle off. Now if you're only replacing your old throttle with a new one, with another trigger throttle, perhaps because the old one is broken, you don't actually have to slide everything off. You can simply undo all 4 screws here, being sure not to lose the 4 nuts in the back, and you can actually pop this bracket off, so you don't actually have to remove everything. From there, one communication wire here that plugs into the stem, just give that a pull, that comes right out. And now I'm going to take my new thumb throttle. I'm going to slide the display on first, followed by the thumb attachment piece. I'm going to plug in the new communication cable here into that same wire coming out of the stem, being careful not to force the wire in. There is a notch there that only allows it to plug in one way, so if it's giving you any difficulty, do not force it. Finding the notch, that slides right in. From there, I'm going to take my brake lever again. That all slides back on. I'm going to take my grip handle with my Allen wrench again, pop that back into place, and just give it a couple turns to tighten it. Now again, if you just have the standard grip handle, all you have to do is put that back on, slide it on, and it stays in place. From here, I'm going to fold my handlebars back up. All I have to do is twist the middle piece here until it meets the other side, and tighten it in the middle. You may also want to just give a little tighten to the 4 screws on the display and the 1 screw on the back of the thumb attachment piece. The 1 screw on the back there, it's quite small. And I want it to be a little bit lower. And voila, that's all there is to it. That's how you install a thumb throttle upgrade on an Apollo scooter. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more scooter related content. We'll see you guys next time.